Let's look at a scenario that the user of the model is actually maybe a partner or an engineer working for the customer that is participating in the design of the line, and we want to allow him to do or to evaluate more changes, more possible changes to the line. So we can grant him a model with an application license, again restricted to using it at the level of application license, which basically means all the capabilities that we saw before for the viewer and the runtime. This is inclusive. Every license is inclusive to the lower licenses, so you can run the model, interact, analyze, and so on. But now our young engineer is also able and capable to analyze how this line is behaving, as he's realizing here that the bottlenecks, these machines are blocked because machines C and C1 do not catch up. Basically, they are the bottleneck here of the overall production. However, they are waiting sometimes because there is some breakdown time on the previous machines, so it's kind of a waste of their time not to reach the maximum throughput. And it would make sense, it would be easier to do it here in the 2D view. It would make sense to insert buffers here. By the way, as you can see with plant simulation, all these kind of manipulations we can do while the model is running. So what the customer engineer is doing now is realizing that if he will insert a buffer here, and another buffer here, we can see now that the waiting time is significantly lower, so the machines are utilized better. And if we look at the production of a single day, it's higher than before, 27 here, 34 here. The difference between the distribution is depending on the breakdown time of the machines, which is random. Now the ability to make these changes was given to me, and I can even save now my revised model. And share it back with the original author. Again, I cannot make logic modification, and I cannot add any programmable elements into that because I'm restricted to the application license. So in order to do that, I would need to have two things. Number one, to have that license with me. And number two, that for this specific model, I will not be restricted. Let's see how it works.